Hello guys, so welcome back to Cosmos Airdrop. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer your USDT into other tokens, guys. So I'm going to show you the step-to-step processes, how you can transfer any of the cryptocurrencies, whether it's the BNB, the TRC, the BTC, the Ethereum, the AR, so any of the cryptocurrency that you are actually using into any other crypto, guys. So if you actually like what we are doing in this channel, I would like you to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to join us in our Telegram group to get all the whole informations that we will be releasing, guys. So let's go. So to actually change or switch any of the token, all you need to do is to go down on trade. So this is actually the best way and the easiest way to switch. Now simply go and click on convert. Now as you can see, this is actually how to convert. You can go ahead and select the amount or the name of the token that you want to convert. Example, if I'm converting the BNB, I will now go ahead and click the name of the token I'm actually converting it to. Example, if I'm converting BNB to USDT, all I need to do is to click on USDT, guys. So I'm actually going to click on the amount of BNB that I want to convert into USDT. So all I need to do is to go ahead and click on it. It is going to show me exactly the amount of BNB price in worth of USDT. So this is actually how to convert. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click on preview. As you can see, I have insufficient balance in my BNB. So once that is done, it is going to process. So if you actually want to buy some cryptocurrency into your Binance, if you don't actually know how to buy cryptocurrency into your Trust wallet, into your Binance, you can go ahead and join us in our Telegram group. You can also go ahead and contact this number that you're seeing right here on the screen, which will help you to purchase different cryptocurrency at a good affordable rate, guys.